Hey guys, I'm Sergey Gusev, welcome to my channel. We have a lot of art supplies over here, provided by Arteza. And in this video, which is sponsored by Arteza, I will review their oil paints. And in the next episode, Maya will show and explain how to work with gouache, brush pens and fine liners also by the same brand. To buy all of these, visit their webpage and use my coupon code SergeyGusev1 to get 10% off on anything you want. Okay, if you're ready, let's get started. As a surface for my painting, I'm going to use Arteza acrylic pad, which you can also use for oils. First of all, I'm sketching out to set up the right proportions of the face. For the initial sketch, I'm using Arteza graphite pencils. I'm going to use an HB, B and 2B graphite pencils. Make a few basic lines and then darken in the shadows to convey the big volume of the head. Spend some time on the underdrawing, make sure all looks correct, and only after that move on to the next stage. Okay, after I'm done with the underdrawing, I start making the first layer of oil painting, which is called the underpainting, using only one paint, burnt umber. The first layer has to be very thin, so I highly recommend to dilute the paint with a thinner. You can use any one you prefer. I suggest to start painting from the dark places: hair, core shadows on the face and clothes. After that, I move on to the halftones and lights. Generally at this stage I make the skin tones darker because it is easier to paint over dark ones in the next step. When I'm done with the underpainting, I let it dry and then start blocking in. I have a few mostly basic oil colors by Arteza on my palette. I added a bit of ceruleum because I needed to paint the clothes. Again, I start from the dark halftones and only after that begin to blocking in the lights of the face. For the very small details, I'm using Arteza brushes, which have pointed round tips, and they're really great for working on the small details like wrinkles, eyes, skin textures, and hair. When working on the skin textures, remember to combine cool and warm shades. And of course, don't forget that we have cool lights and warm shadows. Actually, it takes a lot of time to work on the details, so I'm going to speed it up. But if you want to see the real-time videos, visit me on Patreon. I actually really like to use Arteza art supplies, and actually it's not the first time I'm using their products. A while ago I made a drawing with their color pencils. Check it out on my channel. The quality Arteza provides is really high. Don't forget to check out their products and follow the links in the description box. Again, I remind you will get 10% off on anything you want using my coupon code Sergey Gusev 1. If you like this video, you can help me out and share it with your friends on your favorite social network. Subscribe to this channel, follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Okay guys, I think I'm finished. In the next episode, Maya will show you how to use some other Arteza art supplies. Because with Arteza you can paint anything, so don't miss out on it. I wish you good luck with your own artworks guys, and of course thank you for watching and see you in my next episode.